Hey there! Welcome to our phonetic and phonology presentation video. Okay, before we start our explanation, let's meet the member of this project. I'm Naili. This is Chintya, Revina, Rosa, and Fasha. Okay guys, today we want to discuss about APA. Do you know what APA stands for? Okay, so APA is abbreviation of International Phonetic Alphabet. The International Phonetic Alphabet is a set of symbols that represent phonetic sounds. These sounds are known as phones.
Then, what is its use in English? The IPA is used to help us understand and transcribe different speech sounds from different languages. This helps us to pronounce words accurately instead of relying on the written spelling of words, which doesn't always match the way we pronounce them. The phonetic alphabet describes the sounds of words. So, when something is written using IPA, it will always match the pronunciation. This is particularly useful for you if you are learning a new language.
The International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, serves a universal system to transcribe every conceivable speech sound across all languages, including English. These sounds, known as phones and phonemes, that are fundamental units of speech. A phonetic chart divided from the IPA and tailored specially to English, visually represent the language's sounds. And it's very surprisingly that English has 44 distinct phonemes that are shown this chart. Well, I don't think that you can remember it in one answer. There are so many symbols that have a difficult pronunciation, such as sh, and so on.
From that explanation, we know that this IPA is very useful for your pronunciation, especially in English. Let's see how you pronounce these words. Okay, maybe you are a little confused. Let's find out how to pronounce these words. The first is though. Though. The second is thought. Thought. The third is through. Through. The fourth is tough. Tough. See, even a simple word like that can confuse you, right? This is why you should learn this IPE, so you can get better on your pronunciation.
Fortunately, today we're going to give you a tutorial on how to pronounce in English phonetic sound. But maybe it's gonna take a long time to teach you how to pronounce all the 44 sounds, right? So, for today, we're going to teach you the symbol Z. Now, get ready for the tutorial!
Hi guys, welcome to our project video. Guys, have you ever wondered what makes it difficult to you to pronounce in English? One of the problems is that you don't know how to say the word, right? So, in this video, you will learn how to pronounce this symbol, V. And don't be worried, because this will help you to get more fluent in English. The consonant V can be found in there, other, father. For your information, the English V sound occurs in less than 10% of the world languages, and it is not present in the majority of European and Asian languages. Therefore, this sound can be a little bit challenging for you if you are a non-native speaker. Usually, the non-native speaker will change it with D, Z, or V. But again, don't be worried and keep watching this video to learn how to pronounce the V sound, and after that, we are gonna do some practice.
So, how to make these sounds? Basically, the th and s are made the same way, but sound is made by adding a voice, and sound is voiceless. Let's check this out. When you make a voice, you go ah, but when it's voiceless, you just go ah. First, slightly open your mouth and put the tip of your tongue between your front teeth. Remember that the tip of your tongue must gently touch the bottoms of your upper front teeth. Second, blow air over your tongue. Make a noise. It should flow between your upper teeth and the tongue. Because the th sound is a consonant sound, you need to add your voice when pronouncing it. You could try to put a bass on top of the sound.
Now, you've got the lesson. And then, let's start practicing it in some word. Repeat after me. The. This. That. The. These. Those. There. They. Them. Though.
Now, let's take a break for a second, because it will be difficult for you to pronounce this at the first time. And get ready for the next section, because this section will be a little bit hard. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Father. Mother. Brother. Other. Another. Feather. Leather. Weather. Together. Bother. Gather. Either. Neither. Southern. Northern.
Well done! You finished your practicing. Now you know how to make the Z sound. All you need to do is getting more exercise and practice. It is all down to you. If you don't practicing this sound, I think you cannot speak English fluently, because to be honest, even if the Z sound just occurs in less than 1% of English words. The fact most of them are function words, and it is used mostly in English sentences. Let me break it down to you. There are father and mother in the northern of Netherlands. I want to go there too with my brother in another time. See? I guess you should go back to practice. Great! Your learning is done. How was that? I bet that tutorial helps you a lot to improve your pronunciation in English. This means that international phonetic sound is really needed for you better pronunciation. The IPA is an essential tool for accurately representing and understanding the diverse sounds of human speech across languages. Its systematic approach to transcription provides clarity in pronunciation, making it invaluable for language learners. By focusing on the phonetics qualities of sounds rather than their written forms, the IPA ensures that pronunciations can be consistently understood and applied.
Okay guys, this is the end of our presentation today. I guarantee it, after you finish your APA learning, you can speak English like a native speaker. I would like to say thank you for your attention and thank you again for all of my teammates that have done this great job. We will see you again in our next video and stay tuned. Goodbye!